I can see they're equal parts. If you folded it, you can fold it and see they're equal parts. Riley?
There's two ways you can go. You can go like this, and you can see they're both semicircles.
Yeah. But we want to make sure that they are equal parts, and semicircle is half a circle, right? We want to make sure they're equal, Cooper.
What is semicircle?
Semi means half the circle. Because look at where it's cut, exactly in half, right? Now we did this with a circle. Well, we can also,
Ellie didn't get one. She was in the bathroom.
oh, sorry, Ellie. You can take your circle and make two equal parts, however you would like to. Let Ellie figure out how to make it two equal parts. Good, Ellie.
Yeah, you can.
We're
I made a
letting
big.
Ellie figure out how she wants to make it into two equal parts.
I'm making it into a. Go to
Okay, look up here, second grade. Ellie, can you show me your two equal parts? The circle should be in two equal parts. And how can you tell it's equal?
I tried to make it as equal as I could.
If you put them on top of each other, you can see the two equal parts. Good. Cooper and Drell. Up here, second grade, we have more shapes that we've been talking about in our geometry unit. Dane, what is this one?
Rectangle.
Riley, the next one,
Triangle.
and Drew. Well, I can make these shapes into two equal parts as well. I can go right down the center and make a square, a rectangle, a triangle, and a square into two equal parts. If I go like did I divide these equally?
No.
Did I divide the triangle equally?
No.
How about the square?
No.
It needs to be two equal parts to make it into fractions. Okay? These are not equal. So I cannot say that this piece is 1/2 of this. Okay? Those are not examples of equal parts.
They're all at 1/2. Yeah.
So that was kind of easy because those are halves. What about when we were reading in Jump Kangaroo Jump?
They had 2 teams.
They did have two teams.
No, I thought they had 3. Yeah, but for tug of war.
Oh yeah, they divided into two for tug of war, Giraffe. Yeah. Grant. We're going to have Grant come up and help us. And we're going to divide this rectangle into 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts. Good eyeball. Now, parts make the whole rectangle? Show me a thumb. Tegan. 3. So 3 parts make the whole. The 3 goes on the bottom, you're right.
And then the one on the top.
How many parts am I pointing to? 1 part. And the 1 goes on the top.
Wait, is there always a one on the top?
If we're looking at one of them, that's 1/3.
What if it's 3/3?
Then it's a what?
Oh,
It's a whole. It's not a fraction. 3/3 because there's 1, 2, 3 out of the whole. How about Drew? Can you do 4? So we can divide it into 4 equal parts as well. Drew, how many parts make it a whole? 1, 2, 3, 4. Where do the parts that make it a whole go? Where does that number go? On the denominator. The way I remember denominator, this is getting a little ahead of us. D is for down. So I remember denominator is the bottom one. This D is for down. And the numerator is on the top. How many parts am I pointing at? Right. 1. So this is the part I pointed at. And this was the part I pointed at on here. So the colored part is 1/3. And the colored part on this one is 1/4. So now we're going to be doing some of this practice on our own time. And we are going to be using